Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to integrate Calendly with your Wix website. First, open your browser and log into your Calendly account. Once logged in, click on Event Type and select the event you want to share. If you don't have one yet, you can create by clicking the Create button, then click Share and select Add to Website. Choose the embedded option you prefer, either inline embed, pop-up widget, and pop-up text. Then click Continue. Once you select, you can also choose the color you want to apply to your widget. Once finished, copy generated code to your clipboard. Next, head over to your Wix account and open the website where you want to add the Calendly widget. In the Wix editor, click the Add button on the left toolbar, then select Embed and Socials and choose Embed Code. Click Enter Code. Paste the Calendly embed code you copied earlier, then click Apply. You'll instantly see your Calendly widget appear right on your site. You can resize the embed box and adjust its position to fit your page layout perfectly. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more quick tips.